Welcome to the first episode of our Jenkins tutorial series. In this beginner-friendly guide, we will walk you through the essential steps to set up continuous integration using Jenkins. Whether you are a software developer, IT professional, or just curious about automation, this tutorial is designed to help you to understand the power of Jenkins. I have also created a playlist on Azure Function Apps, Azure Logic Apps, and Azure Database for MySQL. If you are interested, I will provide link to the playlists in the description box. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. So before starting, let's first download the Jenkins jar file from official Jenkins website. Let's go to jenkins.io/downloads. From here, we have to download this generic Java package. So before running Jenkins on your machine, you should have a compatible Java version. Jenkins is supported by Java 11, Java 17, and Java 21. If you do not have the latest Java version, go to this URL and from here choose Windows. Once you update to latest Java, open command prompt on your machine. Check for the Java version. If it's 11 or higher, then we can easily run Jenkins on our machine. I have Java 21.0.1. I have recently updated to this Java version. So let's run Java. So let's start with Jenkins Java -jar. Copy paste the path where you have downloaded the Jenkins package. You can simply drag the file, click on enter. So it will start running Jenkins on your machine. Copy this key from here. It will be used to log into Jenkins first time. Now Jenkins is running on our local host. Let's go to localhost. So by default, Jenkins will be running on port 8080. So first time we'll be using this administrator password that was generated while running Jenkins. Copy it from here, paste it here, click on continue. So to customize Jenkins, either we can install the suggested plugins or we can select the plugins based on our requirements. So let's go with suggested ones first. So it will install the suggested plugins on our machine. So it's downloading plugins. It may take some time. So once the installation is complete, click on continue. First of all, we have to create a username and password for logging into Jenkins. So let me create admin and some password. Then I will enter my full name. So click on continue. So this will be the Jenkins URL where we'll be running Jenkins. Start using Jenkins, click on this. So we have successfully configured Jenkins. So in the next video, we will learn how we can create our first job on Jenkins. Thank you. I have also created a playlist on Azure Function Apps, Azure Logic Apps, and Azure Database for MySQL. If you are interested, I will provide link to the playlists in the description box. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more.